Hi friends, welcome back to our Vietnam journey. After a long 10-hour journey on a sleeper bus, we finally arrived in Da Nang from Dak Lak, tired but excited for what awaited us. After a long journey to Da Nang, we reached into My Key 2 hotel, perfectly located right in front of the beautiful My Key beach. The location couldn't be better. Just a short walk across the road and you're standing on one of Vietnam's most famous beaches. In the distance, rising gracefully from the mountains, we could see the magnificent white statue of Lady Buddha at Linh Ung Pagoda standing tall, watching over the sea like a guardian of Da Nang. The hotel is simple, comfortable, and ideal for travelers who want easy beach access and many interesting restaurants nearby. After a short rest, we couldn't resist stepping out to feel the ocean breeze. The beach stretched endlessly before us, soft sands, gentle waves, and a peaceful rhythm that instantly washed away the fatigue of travel. Small seaside cafes lined the shore. Some people strolled leisurely along the water, while others simply sat back, soaking in the calmness of the moment. We found a cozy spot and treated ourselves to Vietnam's famous egg coffee, rich, creamy, and surprisingly smooth, along with fresh tropical juices. Sitting there, sipping slowly, watching the waves, it felt like time had slowed down. By noon, we enjoyed seafood noodles and fragrant seafood fried rice, fresh from the ocean, full of flavor, and absolutely satisfying. As evening approached, we booked a Grab taxi and made our way toward Hoi An. But before reaching the Lantern City, we stopped for something truly unique: the Coconut Forest boat tour. The Coconut Forest, also known as Cam Thanh Village, has a fascinating history. During the Vietnam War, this dense water coconut forest served as a hiding place for local soldiers. The thick palm groves and winding waterways provided natural protection and strategic advantage. These unique boats, called thang chai, are made from woven bamboo and coated with resin to make them waterproof. Long ago, Local fishermen created them as a clever way to avoid the heavy taxes during the French colonial period. Today, what once served fishermen has turned into a joyful cultural experience, where visitors glide through the coconut palms and watch skilled rowers spin the boats across the river. As we stepped into the basket boat, our guide skillfully paddled through the narrow waterways, spinning the boat playfully. The laughter, the splashing water, and the peaceful green surroundings made it an unforgettable experience.
Ồ mà không vô mưa. Thế luôn á. Tao phải chạm béo.
Visitors enjoy the spinning coconut basket boat ride into a fun and exciting moment on the river. From the calm shores of Mai Key to the lively waters of the coconut forest, this day felt like a perfect blend of relaxation, history, and adventure. As the sun slowly dipped below the horizon, we continued our journey and finally arrived in Hoi An Old Town. The moment we stepped into the ancient streets, it felt like we had traveled back in time. Hoi An is more than just a beautiful town, it is a living museum. Once known as a bustling international trading port between the 15th and 19th centuries, it welcomed merchants from China, Japan, and Europe. Ships filled the Thu Bon River, carrying silk, ceramics, spices, and stories from distant lands. Tailor shops displayed elegant silk dresses and custom-made suits, reminding us that Hoi An is famous for its skilled craftsmanship.
Menu, we have a local food, Western food, Vietnamese food.
Cua nó dài rất đẹp, bò cái đột cua để chạy ra đột ra vô cái bông đen nó không phải chạy cháy cái chạy
lantern shops shimmered with every color imaginable: red, gold, blue, emerald, handcrafted and delicate, lighting up the night like pieces of art. The narrow streets were glowing under hundreds of colorful lanterns. Yellow-painted houses with wooden shutters lined the pathways, each building whispering centuries of history. The air was filled with soft music, laughter, and the gentle hum of visitors exploring the town. The food stalls were just as captivating. On one corner, a vendor prepared fresh banh mi, slicing crispy bread and filling it with herbs, pickled vegetables, and savory meats. Nearby, we could see cow lao, Hoi An's signature noodle dish, served in steaming bowls with thick noodles. The aroma of grilled seafood drifted through the air, mixing with the scent of spices and charcoal. Street carts sold sweet treats, sesame snacks, coconut pancakes, and colorful desserts layered with jelly and beans.
Menu.
Vegetarian.
One vegetarian.
Vegan here.
One vegan.
Vegan is add cheese or tofu.
Du gick ju och kollade här.
As we walked through the glowing streets, surrounded by food, colors, laughter, and history, it felt like the town was alive, breathing, shining, and quietly telling stories from centuries past. We walked past traditional assembly halls, old merchant houses, and the iconic Japanese covered bridge, a symbol of the connection between cultures that shaped this town.
머리가 안 나오지 남편으로 가야 되는데. 그러면 너 아까
Because of this rich cultural exchange, Hoi An developed a unique architectural style, a beautiful blend of Vietnamese, Chinese, and Japanese influences. Many of these historic buildings remain perfectly preserved today, which is why the town is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The town is a beautiful mix of Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, French influences because it was once a busy international trading port. The wooden houses, temples, and the famous Japanese covered bridge still reflect this rich cultural blend. As we wandered deeper into Hoi An's glowing streets, the town slowly revealed its vibrant soul. The narrow lanes were filled with charming little shops, each one unique, each one inviting. There were small art galleries showcasing paintings of river life, countryside scenes, and traditional Vietnamese portraits. Handmade leather shops displayed bags and sandals stitched with precision. Every doorway felt like stepping into a story. The vibe of Hoi An is something truly special. It is romantic, calm, and almost magical. As night falls, the lanterns reflect on the river, creating shimmering colors on the water. Small wooden boats float quietly, carrying candles and wishes downstream. Hoi An at night is not loud or overwhelming, it is lively yet gentle. The conversations are soft, the lights are warm, and the energy feels welcoming. And just like that, another beautiful chapter of our journey comes to an end. If you enjoyed this experience, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and of course, subscribe to the channel to be part of our travel family.